Hello guys, it's IMEZRU from Expresso Poker channel. Welcome back if you're an old visitor, and welcome to the community if you're a new one. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification so you will be notified when I do more videos. So, are you struggling with notes? Are you struggling with your poker studies? Would you like to learn how to learn quicker, how to have all the learning material available wherever you are as long as you carry your cell phone with you, even on the offline? So, let's dive into this video and see what you can learn. So, what I've been doing after hopping into the SmartSpin as a prospect member nowadays, playing the €5 spin and goes or expressos at the Winamax, there's so much to study. There's so many charts. There's so many great videos. There's so many great materials in here. Uh, but we're gonna be looking at the free for all area. So I'm not logged in. We're looking through the learning materials, very basic stuff. Let's start with how to use charts. Basically, when you get inside the SmartSpin, you will have massive video archives, and they all have this description and blah blah blah. And then you go and you can look at the videos. So I'll have this already here, and let's push this through. So what we're doing is uh, we're busy guys or gals, and we need to be studying poker a lot in order to move up the stakes and crush the fish and their regs while we move up and games get more harder and harder. So studying is very important, and everyone should do it. Otherwise, it's not you're just not gonna be crusher. So I'm a busy guy. I can't do everything, and I don't have enough time to study when I would love to. So I've created this simple method on taking notes, so I can access them wherever I want, whenever I want, as long as I have my cell phone with me. So what you need is you need a OneNote app on your phone. It's a Microsoft totally free app. Also on all computers that are have Windows, so you can find it on the computer. So I use this. You can see I have SmartSpin, investment notes, I have my YouTube notes, and so on. We're not going to be looking at the SmartSpin notes, but I've made an example here just so we can look into this. So the video is rolling in the back. You are seeing that the discussion here is about chart using and how to use the charts that are available for our smart spinners when you join. So basically the video is telling all the situations when or giving examples when to use these charts and how to use them. Um, so I could be watching this on my cell phone, most obviously, but for instance, sometimes you're offline or you're on the road and it's kind of hard. The connections can be fishy and whatever. So uh, what we can do here is we can use the snippet tool, and we'll take a new snippet from here. This is important. We're looking at stack sizes 20 or 10 BBs plus, and we are at the button with a 9-8 offsuit. So we're not gonna be opening, the chart says. So we'll just paste it here, and this is the beauty of it. The OneNote pushes these notes into the Microsoft Cloud service that is also totally free of charge. It has tons of room, uh, even for a free version, and now when you push a note like this on here, and you can say do not open 9-8 offsuit uh, 20 BB plus on button. Okay, so uh, that's a note. And now if I would go to my cell phone and open my OneNote app, I would find my SmartSpin, notebook there, and in there, on the note-taking example notes, I would see this picture and this note. So now, wherever I am, I will have access to this, like the most important pointers done on maybe a very long video. You can, there's like, usually the videos are so good, there's so many things to look into that you can't basically learn everything with one watch. So what I do, I take the important stuff, take notes like this. Let's take this one here. We'll need a new one. And boom, we have another note. We copy paste it here. Boom. So, heads up, ace jack suited, mean raise, call, 3-bet all in, 4-bet non all in, 3-bet. So, it's a very simple thing, and now all these things and all the charts and everything, they're available for me on my cell phone. So whenever I have time just to sit down and open my cell phone OneNote app, I have access to all these notes, and I don't have to go through all the videos. I will have all the biggest pointers taken from the videos, and I can just concentrate on studying those little things that matter. Those are the money making things. Of course, there's always good concept to watch these videos and study them carefully, but this is the great way to like memorize back, go to the memorizing thing. I also use this before I start my session. I'll look at the charts. I can scroll through the charts. I know where I have my leaks. I look into the charts, and this is the charts, this is the stack depth I have leaks on, and this is the position I have leaks on at this stack depth. I look at the charts before I start my session, and I feel more confident, and I start crushing games better and faster. So, I hope you learned something. This is very good, totally free, and very quick way to get all the biggest pointers out of the longer videos and even the shorter videos and those things that you want to concentrate on. So this will be a great tool to start crushing the games better. Uh, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel and push the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. I try to post videos once or twice a week, usually on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. So early in the week, I try to post video or two. So come again, and without further babbling, I wish you good luck at the tables. I hope you learn how to do great notes. I hope you start crushing better. And as always, have fun playing poker. See you later and see you on the next video. Bye.